Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to create Facebook page and earn money or create Facebook page. If you want to create Facebook page on your Android phone or create a Facebook page on your PC and laptop or create Facebook page on your computer or create Facebook page on your Facebook Lite or Facebook ad. So let's see how to do that. I will show all process. You can follow my all steps. After that you can easily create Facebook page on your device. So in this time I can show fast process or fast method. So let's see. After that you can see Facebook app. So first of all you can choose and open Facebook app, and in this time I can show fast process how to create your Facebook page on Facebook app. After that you can see Facebook profile picture, click on it. After that scroll down, you can see public presence, get tools to help you grow on Facebook. So click here. How do you want to get started? After you can see use professional mode and then create a new page. So instead I can choose create a new page, click on it. After that choose next, page name, and in this here write your Facebook page name. You can see in this time I can write Facebook page name itech original. After that choose next, click on it, and in this I can search my Facebook page categories. After that choose create, click on it. So first of all you can see bio, and in this here I can write your Facebook page bio. And in this here write your Facebook page website. After you can see email, and in this here write your Facebook page email, and in this here I can write my Facebook page email. After that you can see phone number. So in this I can write first of all country code. So first of all you can write your country code. After that write phone number. You can see location, address, city by town or postcode. So first of all you can write your address. After you can see postcode, and in this here write your city or town postcode. Hours, let people know your locations. Hours, you can see no hours available, always open is standard hours. So in this I can choose always open, click on it. After that choose next, click here, and in this here you can easily upload your Facebook page profile picture or upload Facebook page cover photo. So let's see. After that in this here click on it. After that in this I can choose and select profile picture. You can see in this I can easily upload Facebook page profile picture. After you can choose next, click on it. Invite friends, grow your presence by inviting your friends to like your new page, and in this you can easily invite your Facebook friends. So choose and select your Facebook friends. After that invite. After you can see next, click on it. Stay informed about your page. Turn on these features to help make the most of itech original. You can change them at any time in settings. After you can see two options, marketing and promotional emails about your page. After that page notifications on your profile. So already turn on this option. After that done, click on it. You can see in this way you can easily create a new Facebook page or create Facebook page. After you can see create story, create reel, and then you can see plus icon, click on it. You can see post, story, reel, live. So in this way you can choose your need option, and in this way you can easily create your Facebook page. And in this way I can show another way or second process. So let's see. and in this time I can show how to create Facebook page on your computer or laptop or PC. So let's see. So first of all, go to Google Chrome. After that, choose and open Google Chrome. After that, log in or sign in your Facebook account, and in this you can easily create Facebook page. So let's see. After that, right top corner Facebook profile picture, click on it. You can see all profiles. Click here. You can see create new profile or page. So choose create new profile or page. Click here. New profile or page. After you can see two options, personal profile and then public page. So in this time I can choose public page. So click here public page. After that, choose next, click on it, and then choose get started. Click here. Create a page. Your page is where people go to learn more about you. Make sure yours has all the information they may need. You can see page name, and in this here write your Facebook page name. After that, in this here you can choose and write your category. After that, in this here write your bio, and in this here you can see create page. Click on it. Finish setting up your page. Success, you have created original tag. Now add more details to help people connect with you. After you can see websites, and in this here write your Facebook page websites. After you can see phone number, and in this here you can see country code. So first of all you can choose and select your country code, and in this here write your Facebook page phone number. After you can see email, and in this here write your email or Gmail account. Location, and in this here write your address. After you can see city or town, and in this here you can write or choose and select your city or town. After that, in this here you can see zip code, and in this here write your zip code, city or town zip code. And in this here you can see hours. Let people know your locations. No hours available, don't show any hours. After that, always open. You are open 24 hours every day. Last option, open at selected hours. So in this you can choose you need option. I can choose second option, always open. You can see next, click on it. Customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first things people see. Try using your logo or an image people can easily associate with you. See add profile picture, and then add cover photo. So first of all you can choose and open add profile picture. Click on it, and then open add cover photo. Scroll down. After that, choose next, click on it. Connect WhatsApp to your page. Once you connect your WhatsApp account, you can add buttons for your page audience to message you on WhatsApp. To get started, we will send you code on WhatsApp. Just enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. So first of all you can choose and select your country code. After that, in this here write your WhatsApp phone number. After that, you can see get code. Click on it. Connect WhatsApp to your page. Once you connect your WhatsApp account, you can add buttons for your page audience to message you on WhatsApp. We sent a code to your WhatsApp account number. Enter it now to connect your account. You can see 5-digit code, and in this here write your code. After written a code, and you can choose confirm. Click on it, and in this way you can easily add your Facebook page on WhatsApp account. After you can see next, click on it, and in this time I can choose next. Click here. After that, you can see done. Click on it. You can see in this time you can easily create Facebook page or create Facebook page on your PC or computer or laptop on your Android phone. And in this time I can show third process. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Facebook Lite. After that, choose and open Facebook Lite. And in this way I can show third process, how to create your Facebook page on Facebook Lite. So let's see. After that, right top corner, 3 button option, click on it. You can see pages, so choose and open pages. After that you can see create and then Meta Business Suite, discover, invites. So in this way you can choose create, click on it. Choose get started. What do you want to name this page, and in this you write your Facebook page name. After that, choose next, and in this here you can add your Facebook page categories. I can choose digital creator. After that, choose next, click on it. Do you have a website for tech original? Enter websites, add a link so that people can visit your website or blog from this page. And in this way I can choose skip, click on it. Add images to this page. Use images that represent what this page is about, like a logo. This will appear in search results. And in this here, click on it. Take a photo, upload a photo. I can choose upload a photo. Choose allow all. You can see in this I can easily upload Facebook page profile picture and upload Facebook page cover photo. After that, choose done, click on it. You can see in this I can easily create Facebook page on Facebook Lite or create Facebook page. After that you can see plus icon, click on it. In this you can see post, story, reel. And in this way you can easily create your Facebook page or create Facebook page. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.